Hey everybody, John here from Mr. Pipeline. Are you in the newly emerging bin cleaning space and looking to grow a business that nobody can compete with in your local market? Then it's time to think about having a powerful digital marketing strategy behind it. So here's how we do it. It's all about having fresh new business coming in constantly and having that faucet on for new customers. That's going to come from Google Ads. There's a lot of search data that shows that people are now searching for bin cleaning companies near me or bin cleaning in my zip code. Like, it's important that you are showing up in that on Google Ads, but also in the SEO section, in the organic section. So when Mrs. Jones, who might live in a senior community, who would love to have a company like you, it's important that you're crushing it with a great reputation in the map section. And then you have a lot of reviews that support why you're the best in the best bin cleaner in the local market. It's not rocket science, it's just a precision strategy. It needs to be done at a high level. So when Mrs. Jones hits it through Google Ads or hits it through SEO and she loves your website, it's all about making sure that you couple everything with a solid review generation strategy so you appear like your local market leader. Bin cleaning, it's the future. Guys, get ahead of it. We love to earn your business and help you build the best cleaning company in your local market. Give us a call at 561-899-3043, or you can reach us at mrpipeline.com and we can give you a free consultation. Thanks so much, everybody, and have an awesome day.